Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Powell. We're going to be looking at missing numbers. The first example we're going to look at is 3 plus blank equals 5. One strategy or one way to answer this question is we can draw out the total number. The total number is 5, so we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. From there, we're going to look at this side. This 3 right here tells us that we can color in 3 of those circles. So Mr. Powell is going to take a while to color these in. So instead of doing that, he's just going to move 3 of these colored circles in here, just like that. So now we can see Mr. Powell colored in 3, and we're left with 2 others that are not colored. Those 2 that are not colored go in the blank here. 3 plus 2 will give us 5, and that's what we see here. Now, if you find there's always a different way, and there's a different strategy we can use to answer this type of question. I'm going to show you that second part, or second way to answer it if you don't want to draw out the circles. We can turn this into a subtraction question. If you don't want to draw out the circles, this is what we do. The total number is 5. We move that to the front. This 3, we move down here. So it becomes 5, subtract 3, and that will again give us our answer of 2. So again, you can either draw out the circles, or you can turn this into a subtraction question to get your answer. And 2 would be that missing number. All right, so we've done that. Let's try a different question or a different example. Move this to the top. Move this here. Move these down here. Move these guys around here. So to answer this question, 6 subtract blank gives us 2. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find the total. The total is 6, so we're going to draw 6 circles or squares, whatever you prefer. We draw our 6, and then we're going to decide, well, what do we do? How many are we going to color in? Well, we know there's 2 in total, so that means we can color in 2 of the circles. So again, let's color in 2 of the circles, and let's pretend Mr. Powell just did that. Move these circles up here. 2 of those circles are colored in. How many circles are left uncolored? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 then becomes our answer for the missing number. But you can always do it a different way as well if you don't want to draw out the circles. So let's move the circles to the side. Oops. And let's erase the 4. All right. We can turn this question around and make it easier to answer. So instead of 6 take away blank equals 2, we can have the 6, the total number, keep it here. We can move the 2 over here and make it 6 subtract 2, and that will give us our answer. So if you do that, 6 subtract 2, you should get 4. And 4 would be the missing number that goes up here, just like we got with the circles. Boys and girls, we have some practice questions for you to try next. I hope you enjoy. Take care.